So today I have a projector screen. I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce that brand, but it's 120 inch, 16:9 scale. It's supposed to be foldable and it's not supposed to wrinkle up and all of that stuff. We got a little bit of an installation guide there. For me, I'm going to be mounting it on one of my walls, and then during the summer, I'm going to be putting it and mounting it either in trees or on the wall on the outside. It does include some hooks. So we also got some ropes, which you can tie it. You got 2 bags of hooks, and they got like 3M sticky tape type things. Not sure how well that's going to hold up on the paint, but I will give it a try. And it has grommets throughout the entire border of it, so you can mount it in multiple areas. The fabric is very thin, so it should be pretty pliable and should be able to stretch it out pretty easily. That white screen is doing a little chaos to my autofocus, but I used hooks, regular hooks, because the plastic ones that came with it with the stickies, they kept coming off the paint. And you can see that it's not completely even, but it's all right. I'm not going to use the entire 120 inches with what I'm doing. Now, I would say this is probably a little bit closer to about 100 inches, maybe slightly more, but it's not the full 120. My projector is about 9.5 feet back. This is a small room, so I can't really get too much bigger. But overall, the quality looks really good. I don't see, any kind of distortion in the screen. The colors look great. It's your typical, white screen. It's just on a lot cheaper scale, and I definitely recommend it.